Hello, friends. In this video, I will guide you through how to fix Facebook dating. Not showing up. Check if you are eligible by looking at your age and accounting age. Both must be at least 18 plus and 30 years old, respectively. Upon account creation, tap on the three horizontal lines. Then see more to check if Facebook dating is available. If it's not, try it on another account. Ensure you are in a country where Facebook dating is available by searching online. Check your account status by tapping on your profile, then profile status. If it has a green check mark, you should be able to see Facebook dating. If you are eligible and still can't find Facebook dating, close the app, go to your app store, update Facebook, then open it and check. If that doesn't work, uninstall it, go back to your app store, reinstall it and check. You should now be able to see Facebook dating. Another way to fix it is by turning on your location services, then opening Facebook. Wait for a few minutes, reopen it, and Facebook dating should now be available. That is it.